Looks like a good pitch, Tino. Runs here. First runs of match 15. And Sharks on their way. It's being sent back. Oh, there is a problem again. Yes and no. It's been the highlight of the league. Should be knowing each other well by now.
Other than just knowing each other well, Luke Benkenstein is very annoyed, and I would be too. This is easy 2 runs. Shamal Hussain watching the fielder. He can see what's going on.
Shorter ball. It's a true bounce now on this occasion. He pulls that away. Won't spare those in the power play.
Must be looking for him to be a bit more tougher on himself and get some better scores. First over gone, 7 for no loss. We've seen him in the power play that you're talking about, the strokes that he plays. Look at that. Sublime. And you can play shots like that, and then you see how he's got out some of the times. Very frustrating.
Yeah, width, and is moving further away. He's timed that to perfection. Standing still and finding the gap at the same time. This is a fast outfield. Yeah, that's more like it. Flying edge down to third. So the fast bowlers have got 15 wickets amongst them from the Warriors.
As we've seen throughout the competition, evening games, just a little bit in there for the faster bowlers.
Short cover, fields well. Dot ball to end the over, 2 gone, 13 for no loss.
Earlier that it's probably a good idea just to stand a bit further outside the leg stump.
It's a no ball and has been treated like one. It's been put away for a boundary, it was too full. And not only that, he's also awarded a free hit. He's played through the line, saw the length, his eyes lit up. Yes, that is a no ball. And it was within his reach. He's a tall man, Shamil. He's got a good reach outside the off stump, and he played that deliberately over that 30-yard circle. That's a good ball. He's been hit away. That's well played. Boundary of a free hit. To the first over, and Shahzeb's under pressure.
Baptism of fire coming into the team today. That's nicely played. He's picked it up well. Good connection. Finds its way to the boundary. It's been a good over. 11 from it. Just 2 balls bowled in the over.
It's the first game for Shahzeb, Tino. First time he's been included in the 11. The captain's there. That's the right thing to do. Just give him the confidence. Just calm him down. I don't know what the umpire is doing in that mini meeting. Something with the shoe he's not happy with, the boots that he's wearing. Drives through. They know he likes it square of the wickets. He got protection. Coming back for the second. Quick. Benkenstein. Oh, he almost chopped that back onto the stumps. End of the over. 15 off it. 28 for no loss. There he comes down the wicket. That's a shot he's created. Very well done. Just over mid-off.
Oh, he's had to create that because he's had a few dots. Benkenstein, he moves on to 17 from 14 balls, but there's 3 4s in that 17, so it tells you that he's got a whole lot of dot balls in and around those 3 boundaries that he's played, but this is a good calculated stroke.
And again, the minute he came down, he's got the line of the ball covered, and he's played it to perfection. A couple of bounces, another over with 2 boundaries, 37 for no loss.
Yeah, just giving himself room outside that off stump and then opening up the body so he can access the offside. This is a good shot. Not more control than that first one in the over.
Straight as you like, and hits the parameter boards on the full. Now that's a shot of authority.
You go, boy. Good stroke. Sees the length. Decides early that he can get under it. Clears the boundary. It's a good stroke.
He likes playing that. He's usually very comfortable playing it in the V, and that is probably the right thing to do, especially in the power play when you know mid-on, mid-off is up. It's done well to just keep it down.
A backward square leg, cow corner now on the boundary on the leg side.
And he's beaten that fielder at gully. Just opened the face of the bat and passes through that fielder. Earns a boundary. They're flying, the Sharks, at the moment.
Now that's just gone away from him off the pitch and just opens the face. He knows that if he just gets it past any of those fielders on the offside field, he's going to get a boundary. He's done just that.
That's not a bad ball. Why be predictable? 5 gone, and the Gwadar Sharks are 49 for no loss.
And he'll obviously make that trigger movement so much better. So much better.
Absolutely. I think this is the point Mike also made at the studio, that he can start the trigger movement from behind the stumps.
Full toss. Put away for a boundary. Benkenstein is off with his 27, and they're in a good position.
In a different stance, more open stance, that gives him that liberty to play on the leg side without falling over. A different technique for Benkenstein, and he has been so good on both sides of the wicket, whether it's offside or leg side.
Yeah, and also the difference in the head. Watch Benkenstein. Oh, does he get this all the way? Fine leg up. You cannot bowl there to Luke Benkenstein. He just helps himself to a maximum. Half a dozen.
And you talk about the level of the eyes. Because of that good level, he was watching the ball till the end. And look at that connection. It's not an easy shot to play. It's coming right at his head. And he plays it so well. Excellent execution.
Well, Abdullah tried that in the first over. And he got dealt with then, Abdullah. Good over again for the Sharks. It's the end of the power play. They are 61 without loss.